Hey there, welcome. We're about to dive into a 10-minute daily routine that can totally transform your body. Let's get started. I used to believe getting fit meant chaining myself to a treadmill for an hour, and honestly, who's got that kind of time? Then a trainer friend slid me a sticky note. 10 minutes, 0 gear, full body. I laughed, until my jeans slid off without unbuttoning. Stick with me for the next 10 and we'll test drive that same note together. No gear, no experience, just you, and a patch of floor the size of a yoga mat. Ready? Shoes optional. March in place like you're waiting for coffee. Soft knees, easy arms. Sore knees, shuffle side to side instead. We're simply reminding your joints they've got a job today. Chat level breath. If you can complain about the weather, you're golden. 10 seconds left, shake out the shoulders. 1 minute down, lifetime of better movement to go. You know, sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. But hey, remember, every big change begins with a small step. It's totally okay to start with what you can handle right now, and build from there. Progress is progress, no matter how tiny it seems. Alright, so feet just outside your hips and let your toes point a little outward, just nice and relaxed. Now send your hips back like you're tapping a chair that isn't there. Yeah, just like that. Keep your chest up and your spine straight. We're doing this for 45 seconds, and honestly, if you need the actual chair, just park it behind you. No shame at all, I kept one there my first week. Drive through your heels and squeeze your glutes at the top. That's your body's biggest muscle group firing. Think of it as turning on the furnace before you leave for work. Pretty cool, right? We're doing this for 45 seconds. If you need the actual chair, park it behind you. No shame, I kept one there my first week. Alright, so, hands on the couch arm or the wall, whatever helps you stay straight from head to heels. Lower yourself down for a slow count of 2, then push up quick. Keep those elbows at 45 degrees, not all chicken winged out. If you feel your back start to sag, just drop to your knees, reset, and keep moving. Remember, quality always beats bravado. Go ahead and shake out those arms. You just stacked some serious reps onto your chest, shoulders, and triceps without even touching a dumbbell. Now, step 1 foot straight back, drop both knees to 90 degrees, and push off your front heel to stand tall. Make sure to swap legs with each rep. Keep your core tight, like someone's about to tickle you. If you're wobbling, it's totally fine to lightly touch a countertop. That burn in your front thigh, that's literal strength under construction. Step your feet together. You've just bulletproofed your knees and recruited glutes most chairs never wake up. Forearms or palms, knees or toes, pick the version that lets you draw a line from your head to your heels. Belly button to spine, and breathe through pursed lips like you're cooling soup. 30 seconds. Hips hike, drop your knees, reset, and keep the clock ticking. 15 seconds. You're pouring concrete around your spine. Tomorrow's grocery haul thanks you. You're pouring concrete around your spine. Tomorrow's grocery haul thanks you. Done. Drop your knees, shake it off. No jumping. Step right, sweep arms overhead, step left, arms down, find a rhythm. Old school jukebox in your head helps. Heart climbs, joints stay cushioned, 45 seconds. Add a little Rocky style speed bag sway if you're feeling fancy. Feel that headlight bright buzz, endorphins clocking in for the rest of your day. Back through squats, push-ups, lunges, plank, jacks. This lap, sneak in 1 extra rep anywhere you can. Need breather? March in place. Just don't stand still. I'm sweating beside you. Same clock, same floor. Halfway through round 2. That warmth creeping up your shirt? Momentum. Keep it. I'm sweating beside you. Same clock, same floor. Slow march, arms drifting down. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth like you're fogging a mirror. Roll shoulders back. Reach high, gentle side bend right, then left. Finish with a forward fold, knees soft, head heavy. Roll up slowly. Stack each vertebra like coins. Chin lifts, smile tags along, 10 minutes done. Chin lifts, smile tags along, 10 minutes done. If you just thought, Hey, I could do that again tomorrow. Hit like so the algorithm nudges other rookies here. Tell me below which move lit the biggest fire. Want more 10-minute sessions? Subscribe and ring the bell. We bake fresh ones weekly. 3 of these micro sessions equal the payoff of 1 30-minute chunk, says the American College of Sports Medicine. String them together for 7 days and you'll notice stairs feel shorter, jeans feel roomier, brain feels Wi-Fi strong. Proud you started. Same time tomorrow, I'll be here.